Your back feels tight, your energy stuck, your core still asleep. Let's fix all of that fast. This 5-minute flow targets deep core stability, spinal mobility, and posture realignment. And the final stretch? It unlocks your nervous system. Before your arms or legs move, your core should fire first. But for most of us, it doesn't. And that's why energy leaks, a posture collapses, and your back suffers. This movement retrains your body the right way. Lie on your back, arms reach straight up, and knees bent at 90 degrees above hips. Press your lower back gently into the ground. Slowly extend your right leg and left arm down. Then bring them back. Alternate sides with control. Pretend there's a sheet of glass under your spine. Don't let it break. This deep activation will make your bird dog way more powerful. You'll feel the shift in control. Can you keep the movement slow without losing contact with the ground? Do you feel your core shaking? That's not weakness, it's waking up. That just switched your core from passive to active. Now let's train it to stabilize with movement. This is where your stability meets balance. If you've ever struggled with posture or felt your lower back give out during the day, this is your fix. Start on all fours, extend your right arm forward and your left leg back. Keep your hips square and your core braced. Imagine a cup of water on your lower back. Don't spill it. Most people rush this. Slow it down. Control equals power. Reach just 1 inch longer. Can you feel your shoulder and glute activate more? Do you feel your spine stabilizing? If not, tighten your core like you're about to get tickled. You just built diagonal strength across your body. Let's even it out. Repeat on the other side. In the next move, we're going even deeper. Lower abs and hip flexors. These muscles are weak in most people, and that's what makes them powerful when trained properly. Keep your lifted hand and foot the same height the entire time. No wobbles. Still feel rock solid? Or is your body fighting to stay balanced? That just aligned your body. Now we build strength in your lower core. The lower abdominals are like anchors for your spine, but we almost never isolate them properly. This move targets the zone most people skip, and that's exactly why it's so effective. Lie flat, one leg bent with foot on the ground, one leg extended. Press your lower back into the floor. Slowly lift and lower the extended leg without letting your back arch. Switch legs halfway if needed. You'll need this control for our standing forward fold at the end. Don't miss it. Hover your foot 1 inch off the ground and pause for 2 seconds at the bottom. Do you feel the burn in your lower abs? If not, your back might be arching. Tuck your pelvis under. That just strengthened your base. Now let's loosen up the back that supports it. Your back carried you through yesterday. This stretch says a thank you. Sit tall with both legs out. Hug your right knee into your chest. Sit up as tall as you can. Breathe deeply and gently rock side to side. Keep your spine long. Don't round. Can you feel the difference? Do you feel the space opening in your lower back? If not, gently pull your knee closer. That just gave your spine a reset. Let's complete it. Repeat with the left knee. This stretch is prepping you to release everything in our final movement. Can you relax your shoulders while pulling the knee in? Feel the release? That's your nervous system letting go of stored tension. Now that your spine is reset, it's time to decompress fully. This is your full body release. It stretches your back, opens your legs, and resets your breath. Stand tall, then fold forward at the hips. Keep knees soft or straight depending on your flexibility. Let your head hang, sway gently, breathe. This movement boosts blood flow to your brain. Yes, your brain. It's a circulation powerhouse. Try holding your elbows and lengthening your spine with each exhale. Do you feel the tension melt through your back? If not, keep breathing into the hamstrings. That just sealed your alignment from toes to fingertips. You didn't just stretch, you recalibrated your body. Core aligned, nervous system reset. That's a full body win most people never give themselves. But if you're sitting all day, this is just a start. That's why I created the 3-day reset, a free plan to help you move, breathe, and live with rhythm all day long. Hit the link now before your body slips back into default mode. Stay strong, stay steady. I'll see you in the next one. Let's move.